You know the feeling. You step into your hot tub ready for a luxurious soak, but step out when the water feels harsh and looks dull or cloudy. Well, forget that. Frog FilterMate has changed the game for hot tubs up to 600 gallons. It's a unique mineral sanitizer that works in conjunction with a very low level of bromine, or chlorine if you prefer. Just 1.0 parts per million, which is 50% less than standard levels. The minerals in Frog FilterMate help soften the water, and with far less chlorine use, minerals are easier on the skin, swimsuits, and even hot tub surfaces. And Frog FilterMate is simple to use. It slips inside your filter cartridge like so and creates fresh mineral water for a full 4 months. Unlike others, there is no break-in period. Minerals start sanitizing day 1. Just set the reminder dial so you know which month to replace it. In addition, you'll add bromine from a floater or chlorine capfuls before or after using the hot tub, but you'll need only half the amount you typically would since the minerals are actively sanitizing too and helping to keep the pH in proper balance. For the fastest route to clean, clear, soft, and luxurious water, try Frog FilterMate. It's the perfect mate for your hot tub. Have questions? Give us a call. We're happy to help.